Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache of MeetMe. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Settings application. Scroll down your screen and go to Apps option. Click on Manage Apps option. Here in the search bar, type in MeetMe. Click on Storage option. Here, click on the Clear Data option with an eraser icon. Tap on Clear Cache option. And if you're sure, click on OK button. So that is how you can clear cache of MeetMe application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.